The forward and reverse lever stopped working and Mom had a hard time stopping. So she called service and they came and said it wasn't fixable because the unit was too old. I didn't have a service manual, but I took everything apart and found out that there was a broken spring on the throttle pot. I didn't have much luck with the part number I found, but I just went onto one of the websites and searched for the Sundancer and it came up with the part number and it was only $34. It's not the exact part, it's a little bit thicker, but the nice thing, it was already preset for the resistor values. It took me a little while to remember where all the screws went, but I got it back together. Turns out the new pot was wired in reverse as the old one, so I had to fix that, but then everything worked fine. Then I got to zip around the yard and have fun. Yeehaw! I guess I'll bring the scooter back down to Mom so she has one for lousy weather and one for nice weather.